Hello everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys Dollar Tree haul. I just went to Dollar Tree today and I purchased some things. It's not too big of a haul. I usually don't go too crazy when I go to Dollar Tree unless they have something that is like must have, OMG. So I'm going to share with you guys what I have purchased and talk to you guys a little bit about my summer canvas series, because that's more or less what it's turning into. I'm doing a canvas every single Saturday live at 6 p.m. and I'll go more into that for those of you guys that haven't caught that yet. Pretty much I'm doing giveaways every single Saturday, and I'm creating canvases, all different kinds of canvases. If you've missed those lives, I have sped up versions, but if you're more into listening to what I'm doing as I'm doing, and going through kind of the process as it's happening, then you know, check out the actual live where you'll get more of the, you know, intel commentary, so on and so forth. So let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. So the first thing that I have, tacky glue. So I bought two of these Eileen's tacky glue because they don't have my other glue anymore. So I bought two of those to add to the collection of glues that I have. I picked up this art palette, which I'm going to be sharing with Sasson and Crafts. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, definitely do. I'll leave a link for his channel down below. So if you've never, you know, heard of Sasson and Crafts, or you don't know who it is, trust me, you're going to want to go and check it out. He also goes live every Friday at 8 p.m. So make sure that you catch that as well. He does 12 by 12s, and he's going to start doing a whole bunch of other projects as well during his live streams. So I got this little art palette. It brings 6. I have purchased this before, but they're already getting a little bit gunky, so I got some new ones. Now what I was really excited is I saw these today, and these are like really heavy. They're really thick. I guess compressed wood is more or less like what it is. And this one says love, and I'm going to be altering these. I'm going to be altering them individually, you know, throughout different videos on my channel. If you have any ideas of what you would like to see, you know, steampunk, shabby chic, or anything like that, listen, I'm down for the cause. So let me know down below which ways you would like to see these words altered, and I'll definitely get into that. And then I found the word peace, and I'm thinking, would you guys like a giveaway with these words? I can have 3 winners, one for each of the videos that I put up. You know, let me know that down below as well. And I also have the word dream, and they're, you know, they have a little bit of weight to them. They're not like cheapy choppy, you know, words. So I think these won't be too difficult to ship out. So let me know down below what you guys think, you know, as far as project wise for these. So I got 3 of them. I got 1 of each. I found a new stencil, so I got 2 of them because I'm going to be adding 1 to my little giveaway bag, because I am going to be doing a giveaway soon. And I've already gathered some cutting dies that I got from Little Darlings, as well as a Spellbinders die, and I'll see what I can add, you know, to it as I keep moving forward. So yes, so I got these, really cute. I got 2 of those. Now I found this, and I actually found this like by mistake. It's a silicone scrubber, and it's silicone scrubber brights. Oh, my words. And I'm gonna use this to clean my brushes. I thought that it would be good to like put it in a container with the water. That way, as I, you know, clean my brush, I can kind of like scrub it out, scrub the paint out. So I got it for that, and it's double-sided. So I'm thinking I can lay it flat on something. Or even if I stick it like in a jar with my water when I go clean my brushes, that will be, you know, useful for that. So I got 1 of those. I got myself 3 more of the organizer cases before they run out, because I've been there and they haven't had any. They've had the really small ones, which I cannot stand. So I got 3 of these. 2. One of them came busted. Hopefully I can fix it. Oh, no. No. Look. It's messed up, man. It's messed up. I didn't even see that. That sucks. Yeah, it's like really heavily warped. I must have thrown this with the groceries in the back of it. I don't think I picked it up. I think I would have noticed if I would have picked it up like this because it just feels funny. So I must have crushed it myself. I'll see what I do with that. Oh, that sucks. That sucks, you guys. So, alright, this one's cracked in the top. What the heck? This one's got a crack in it. Oh well. Oh well. I guess I'll be decorating those somehow, some way to, you know, so that you don't see the crack in it. And then I got me, these are the sticker hauls that I did today. I didn't really go buck wild with the stickers per se. I know it looks like a crazy stack, but it's all pretty much the same. I got some butterflies and some flowers because you can never have too many of these, right? Especially in my world. What? We can never have too many of these. So I got a few different ones. I actually took all of the ones that were left over. So I'm sure people got, you know, their fills, their just fills. I didn't take them all. But this one in different colors. And then I got the flowers, more of the butterflies, flowers and flowers, more flowers, more flowers and flowers and more flowers. Like I said, this was going to be a quick one. And then, you guys, I'm a little bit sad, but then I'm a little bit excited. And I'm a little bit sad because I couldn't find my canvases. I don't think they're going to be ordering anymore. Or at least if they do, they go faster than they can put them on the shelf. This is the canvases that they sell at Dollar Tree. And I'm sorry if I'm glaring you guys out. But these are the canvases that they sell on Dollar Tree. And I couldn't find any. I was so upset. I literally spent like 20 minutes just roaming through there and asking people. And there was none. So I got the next best thing. I got clipboards. So yes, and what I like about them is the fact that it's got the little hook, so you can actually hook it on the wall. And these are 9 by 12, so they're actually bigger than the regular canvases that I would use. So I'm going to be turning these into canvases. I'm not going to remove this. I think I'm going to leave these things on, and I'll just alter this somehow. And I see what I do, because I'm figuring maybe you guys can clip a picture in it or something, because like I said, I'm doing Saturdays is like a summer canvas type series, and my goal is to do a canvas every single Saturday throughout the summer and give them away as my way of saying thank you so much for subscribing, for participating, for being a part of my live streams, for coming to my videos and saying hello, because I definitely appreciate that. So I got 4 more. I got 4 of these. I didn't want to buy them all, because I'm still hoping that at some point in time I'll be able to maybe get some canvases. But in the meanwhile, I got these. So I'm going to leave this for the end. I'm going to leave these for the end of, you know, once I finish these. I have 3 more to go. So if I don't find any from here to then I'll continue the series with the clipboards. Listen, I had to do what a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, and unfortunately I was gonna get the canvases that they have, like the ones that are already decorated, but they're so small. I'm like, I need room. It's bad enough that I find myself feeling very constricted with the 8 by 10, but this is a good ideal size for shipping, so I was like, yay. Now I'm like, oh, this is longer, so I'm gonna need bubble wrap. I need a bubble mailer now to ship these out, but I'll still get it done, so that's not a big deal. But yes, so I got 4, but like I said, I'm gonna hold off on decorating this and working with these just yet, because I have my fingers crossed that the canvas fairy will find, you know, will be like, listen, Carmen's on her way, like we have to like save her a box so she can go and do her art, because she's giving it away, like it's for a good cause, you know. So yes, so this is my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I don't want to keep you guys, you know, here too long. It's not that exciting. I mean, it is, but then it's not. I didn't go really too ham. So hopefully you guys will give me some good feedback as far as what I can do with these words. I love suggestions. I love suggestions, so I definitely don't mind you guys sharing your input on that. So let me know. Put it down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And hopefully you know, as you entered into this video, you said, you know what, Carmen deserves a thumbs up, so let me just go ahead and give it to her, because I know regardless of whatever, her video is going to be awesome, and I'm going to just give it a thumbs up, because, you know, that's how we roll. And if you forgot to do it now, because I like thumbs up. Thumbs down, boo. Thumbs up, yay. All right? So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And you'll probably see a video of mine sometime during this week, because I'm working on an art journal page that I think you guys are going to really, really like. I've given a sneak peek of what that is on my Instagram. If you don't follow me at Design Elemental. Thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your week.